So ma'am, is it difficult for a woman to be in army?
Right now you have women in the army in many branches, ordnance and signals, even in Air Force. They are now in the flying branch.
Was it a struggle to reinvent yourself?
After 3 months I got up and I kind of took a call as to what is to be done, and then I opened an online clothing store.
So ma'am, you always wanted to be the entrepreneur, that means.
Yes, I was very clear that is one life and I'm not going to lead doing just one thing, which was decided in my childhood that I'll become a doctor.
You are enjoying this, like the traveling part of it. So he's still serving and you're in Goa and then you join him sometimes here.
I love traveling, though I love traveling more by road. I'm not so fond of traveling by air. In fact, my first bike, Harley, I had picked up in Lucknow only.
Stray dogs हैं, तो अगर आज वो नहीं काट रहे, but you can't predict the nature of an animal, right?
What I feel is no animal should be there on the road searching for their own food. Cold में भी बाहर है. There are a lot of things. Should not be on the road. They should have a place where they are fed, where they can be there. This thing is also not correct कि उनको निकाल के सबको शेल्टर में बंद कर दो.
जो बिल्कुल एनिमल लवर हो उसी को डॉग रखना चाहिए.
लोग कुत्ता तो ले लेते हैं, है ना. इनिशियली a lot of people get कि चलो बर्थडे प्रेजेंट में या किसी ने गिफ्ट कर दिया. But it's a 15-17 years commitment.
How difficult and how easy it is to be in army and to sustain that life?
If you do well in that surgery. But that respect you have to gain every time in
after every 3 years. अब क्या difference आपको लगता है कि the kids who are coming now in FMC and your times?
The kids are very smart who are now in FMC. Very smart and very clear about their objectives in life. We were clear, doctor बनना है वहाँ तक clear था. Till the last minute I was not clear whether I want to take gynae or I want to take anesthesia.